Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to edit your About section in a YouTube channel on a PC or laptop. And if you do find this helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Also, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, what we're going to do is open up a browser and come across to youtube.com. And then from here, if you're not already, you just need to go ahead and sign into your YouTube account. And then what we're going to do is click our profile icon in the top right hand corner. And then we want to come down to YouTube Studio. So once we're in the studio, what we're going to do is just come to the menu on the left hand side. And then we're just going to scroll down until we get to the customization tab down here. Then we're just going to go and give that a click. And then what we're going to do is click the basic info tab, which is at the top of the page. And you'll see here, this is actually your description. So it's worth filling this in, because if you do fill this in, then what's going to happen, it's going to basically bump you up in the search results, because YouTube's going to use that in its algorithm. But this is how you do it. So you just literally click into this box and you would type what you want to type. Once that's done, you'll see this button. So if I change something, for example, let's put a full stop here, and you'll see the button up here in the top right says publish, and all you need to do is click that to save the changes. And you can see it says changes published, go to channel. And when I go to my channel now and click onto the about section up here, you'll see that's all been filled out. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go ahead and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.